Hello students, welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School. Myself Poonam Gupta. Today we are taking subject Mathematics of Standard 2nd. Lesson number 13, Addition by Counting Forward. Part 1. Children, in the class of Mathematics today, we have a teacher and Salma as her student. Let's see what teacher is teaching to Salma and us today. Teacher telling to Salma, Salma, take these two seedling means plant and plant them in your garden. We have here two seedlings. That is 1, 2. Teacher is telling her to plant them in her garden. Salma told, sure ma'am, I already have 5 seedling in my garden. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Salma has 5 seedlings in her garden. Now children, tell me how many plants will be there in Salma's garden altogether now. Let's see. Salma had 5 seedlings in her garden. Then teacher gave her 2 more. Let's understand in a different way. Salma has 5 plants already in her garden. Then teacher gave her 2 more. More means we have to add. Means 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So what you did children here? Yes, you did addition. And how you got the sum or answer 7 here? Of course by adding it. But how you added it? Let's see. This is the method which we are using to add any number of things. Like here we have 5 plants and 2 plants. So how we are adding? First we are taking out 5 fingers for the 5 plants. Then we have to add 2 more plants, means you have to take out 2 more fingers to count forward. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7. The last number which we got here, that is 7, means 5 plus 2, that's equal to 7. In this way we are adding two numbers. But now children, we will learn the other method of adding, that is by counting forward. Let's see. If you want to add 5 plus 2, the first you have to see which number is greater. Here 5 is greater than 2. So you have to take out your fingers of the smaller number. Means you have to take out the 2 fingers and start counting forward from the greater number, that is 5. So count next to 5, that is 6, 7. The last number we got here is 7. So 7 is the answer or sum of this addition. Means in this method we have to first consider that first which number is greater and which number is smaller, and take out the fingers of the smaller number. And after that you have to count forward from the greater number or next to the greater number, like this. After 5 it will be 6 and 7. And how many steps you have to go forward? Till the number smaller. Here we have the smaller number 2. Then you have to go 2 steps forward from 5. So children, means in both the method we got same sum and both are right. But can you tell me which method of addition was quicker? Salma told the second method was quicker than first method. That is by counting forward. So children, let's solve some more example of addition by counting forward. Here we have balls, some balls. How many balls here we have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And 3 more balls we got here. 1, 2, 3. Means 6 plus 3. We have to add 3 balls in 6. What you have to do, children? First you have to find which number is greater. Here 6 ball is more than 3 balls. So 6 is greater than 3. So we have to count after 6 because 6 is a greater number. Till how many steps you have to go forward? We have to go forward 3 steps after 6. Like this. After 6 it will be 7, 8, 9. The last number which we got is 9. Then 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Means 9 is a sum of 6 plus 3. Here we have changed the order of the addition. Means 3 plus 6. Means here we have 3 balls already. Then we added 6 more balls. Then how to count forward in this kind of sum, children? So again we have to first find the greater number. 6 is greater than 3, means 3 is a smaller number. So what you have to do? We have to count forward from 6. After 6 till how many steps? Till 3 steps. So let's count. 1. After 6 it will be 7, 8, 9. So what is the last number? 9. Then the sum of 3 plus 6 is 9. Again, we will see one more example by using our fingers. Here we have the addition of 25 plus 3. So how to add it? First you have to see 25 is a bigger number than 3. 3 is a smaller number. So first take out the 3 fingers which is smaller. Then count forward after 25 which is greater number. What is next number after 25 is 26, 27, 28. The last number which we will got is 28. Means 28 is the sum of 25 plus 3. Like this you have to add by counting forward. We will take one more example here. 5 plus 38. So what is the smaller number here, children? Here 5 is a smaller number and 38 is a greater number. So we have to take out 5 fingers here because 5 is a smaller number. Then we have to count forward from the greater number, that is 38. What is the next number after 38? Is 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. The last number we will get is 43. Then the sum we will get is 43, means 5 plus 38 is equal to 43. Next, here 5 is smaller than 19. So how many fingers you have to take out? You have to take out 5 fingers. And how many steps you have to go forward? 5 steps after 19. Means which number will come after 19? That is 20, 21, 22, 23 and the last one is 24. Means 24 is the sum of 5 plus 19. Now children, we will take some activity. Here some flowers are given and honeybees. So you have to match the honeybee with their flowers with the help of addition. The first flower, it is written here 7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8? So you have to count forward after 8 till by taking forward by 7 steps. So what you will get, that is 15. The next flower is 9 plus 4. So what is 9 plus 4? After 9 you have to count by going forward 4 steps. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Means 13 here. 13 is the right answer of this question. Here, what is 8 plus 9? 8 plus 9 is 17. The next word, 6 plus 6, that is 12. And 5 plus 9 is 14. So children, we will meet you in the next video by taking this counting forward of the second part. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe our channel.